Ahmed Rushdi was born April 24, 1934 and was a versatile Pakistani playback singer and was an important contributor to the golden age of Pakistani film music. Rushdi is acclaimed as one of the greatest singers ever lived in South Asia and could sing high tenor notes with ease. He is best known for his distinctive, melodious, powerful voice, complex and dark emotional expressions which led many critics to state his voice as the greatest and most distinctive they had ever heard. Born in Hyderabad, Deccan, he migrated to Pakistan and became a leading singer in the Pakistan film industry. He is considered as one of the most versatile vocalists of South Asia and was capable of singing a variety of songs. He is also considered to be the first regular pop singer of South Asia and credited as having sung the first ever South Asian pop song Ko Ko Korina in the film Harman in 1954. He recorded the official national anthem of Pakistan with several other singers. Rushdi has recorded the highest number of film songs in the history of Pakistani cinema in Urdu, English, Punjabi, Bengali, Sindhi and Gujarati languages and found unprecedented success as a playback artist from the mid-1950s to early 1980s. He was also famous for his stage performance which had a mesmerizing effect on the audience. He suffered from poor health during the latter part of his life and died of a heart attack at the age of 48 after recording approximately 5,000 film songs for 583 released films. Besides popular music, Rushdi also helped popularize the ghazals of Nasir-Tarabi. He was awarded 5 Nagar Awards, the Best Singer of the Millennium title, Lifetime Achievement Award, Legend Award and Lux Style Award. In 2003, 20 years after his death, Pakistani President Pervez Musharraf awarded him the Saitara-e-Indias, the Star of Excellence, an honor given for distinguished merit in the field of literature, arts, sports, medicine, or science. 15th Street in Gulshan Vehicle, Karachi, also named Ahmed Rushdi Road. He is the only deceased Pakistani singer who, according to the survey of Asian Women magazine conducted in 2016, is declared as a darling singer of all time. Ahmed Rushdi was born to a religious conservative family of Hyderabad, Deccan in 1934. His father, Syed Manzoor Modama, taught Arabic, Islamic history and Persian at Aurangabad College, Hyderabad, Deccan. He died when Rushdi was only 6 years old. 18 From a young age, Rushdi was fond of listening to the musical programs, including songs which were broadcast from the radio. He neither inherited music from anyone nor anybody in his family was ever affiliated to music. Ahmed Rushdi's singing talents impressed a very close friend of his father, whom he called uncle and who loved him fairly. He enrolled in the local music academies in Hyderabad, Deccan. 19 Moreover, two popular composers of the time, Ahmed Rushdi and Iqbal Qureshi, also taught music in the same school. Thus, Ahmed Rushdi learned the basics of music from the aforementioned teachers. Later, he got some training in classical music from Ustad Natu Khan. 20 Ahmed Rushdi did not get any sort of formal training of classical music neither before nor after becoming a successful playback singer, but he had an effective command over high and low notes. He sang his first song in the Indian film Biography in 1951 and got recognition. His family moved to Pakistan and settled in Karachi in 1954, where he began participating in variety shows, music programs and children's programs on radio. In 1954, he recorded his first non-film song, Bundarot Southeast Ki Mary, written by Mehdi Zabir for the popular radio Pakistan show Bachchan Ki Baniya. The song was a hit and became the stepping stone for Rushdi's future. 950s and 1960. After the success of Bundarot Southeast Ki Mary, Rushdi was offered songs as a playback singer for films and quickly gained popularity. 22 He lent his voice to many hit films like Bara With My 1956, What Rizmanadi 1957, Karachi 1957, Yadunya 1958, and many more. Rushdi got well recognition for singing Mari Leela Northeast Cases in Anoki 1956, Collaborate Behind Mastian and Chilman Safety GI 420 in Base 1959. In 1961, he sang the popular song Chand Edse Makragoro Baden in the film Saparan, for which he received his first Nagar Award as Best Male Playback Singer. 23 He further strengthened his status as one of the top male playback singers in the top 1962, in which he sang Paul Gathi Iwela Aya for After a Long They Would Again be teamed in this role. In 1960 1966, he sang Ko Ko Korina, considered the first modern Pakistani pop song. Rush died during a live performance. Music experts including Nixar Bosmite Sohail Rana and Im Ashraf are unanimous that Rushdi's voice was best suited for every hero, comedian and even character actor. He lent his voice to Wamurat Nadeem, Modama Barley, Santosh Kumar Darkhan, Habib Rahman, Shahid Kavi Khan, Gulam Modiu, Farhat Kazmite, and was tailor-made for every actor of film industry. Rushdi's voice was even ideally suited to comedians such as Mudarrizri, Cleary, Niwala Namha, and Rangeela Nine. Ahmed Rushdi got married to a humorist on November 30, 1963. His wife died in 1992. 9 years after Rushdi's death, he belonged to a Safe family, a sacred caste in Muslims, and was a religious person. Despite his popularity and fame, Rushdi never had any scandal in his entire career. He had 3 daughters. His younger daughter, Rana Rushdi, used to sing her father's songs in his presence, which always pleased Rushdi a lot. He was against allowing his daughters to adopt singing as a profession. Ahmed Rushdi and Noor Khan were highest paid singers in their time, but Rushdi did not charge those producers and music directors a single rupee who could not afford him. Famous music director El Modama made his entry into Pakistan film industry because Rushdi introduced him to different producers, which he disclosed after Rushdi's death. Likewise, poet Manzoor forgot his first film as Rushdi insisted the music director Manzoor Ashraf to give Manzoor a chance. Death in early 1980s. Rushdi shifted to Karachi as he was not feeling well and wanted to have a proper heart treatment. He was also singing less for films, and film music itself was facing the decline. The 1980s saw a nosedive in the progress of cinema in Pakistan. The number of cinema decreased rapidly and people preferred watching television over going to a cinema. Playback singing that once was popular now struggled to exist, and the singers needed a new medium to start afresh. Even then, Rushdi's demand and popularity was still there with the music directors. He opened a music academy in order to teach music and playback singing to youngsters. Ahmed Rushdi never faced downfall as far as his singing career is concerned. Until the 1970s, Rushdi was one of the leading voices in the subcontinent. He recorded fewer songs in his last years on the advice of doctors. Death at Ahmed Rushdi's grave at Shahid Hassan Graveyard, Karachi. Since 1976, Ahmed Rushdi was a heart patient and his doctors advised him to abstain from singing, but Rushdi refused by saying that music was his life. When he had a second heart attack in 1981, he was composing the musical album in the voice of singer Majid Alam. On the night of April 11, 1983, 48, he had a third heart attack. He was immediately taken to the hospital but pronounced dead by the doctors. He was 48. Rushdi was buried at Shahid Hassan Graveyard, Karachi. His last non-film song was Aapne Walo Suno, which was a duet with Mehnaz. On his death, actor Wamurat said, "Today I have lost my voice." 50-51. After Rushdi's death, Wamurat as well as other friends and singers had appeared on a show to pay him a tribute. Many of those same people appeared on the show 6 months later, reminiscing about what as he also died.